Today, I'm diving into something super exciting that's revolutionizing the world of digital design. Yes, I'm talking about Shutterstock's 3D AI services. Now, if you're a creative professional, buckle up because this is a game changer. First off, let's talk about what makes Shutterstock 3D AI stand out. Imagine having the power to create complex, photorealistic 3D models just by describing what you want. No more sifting through countless assets to find the perfect one. Just type in a description and voila, the AI generates it. But it doesn't stop there. This AI isn't just about creating static images. It's interactive, allowing you to tweak and customize models down to the tiniest detail. Want to adjust the lighting, change the texture, scale an object? All possible, all in real time, and all without needing advanced 3D modeling skills. This is truly democratizing creativity, making high-quality 3D design accessible to anyone with a vision. Now you might wonder, how accurate can this AI really be? Well, it's trained on a vast library of images and 3D models, which means it understands depth, perspective, and materials better than ever before. This isn't just about generating pretty pictures, it's about creating usable, accurate, and highly detailed assets that you can directly incorporate into your projects. But here's the real kicker, the speed. What used to take hours, even days, can now be done in minutes. This efficiency doesn't just save time, it enhances creativity. Faster outputs mean more room to experiment, iterate, and perfect your visions. So, whether you're a graphic designer, a video game developer, or just someone who loves to tinker with digital creations, Shutterstock's 3D AI is something you'll want to explore. It's not just a tool, it's a new frontier in creative expression. Alright, that's a wrap for today. If you're as excited about this as I am, dive in, start experimenting, and unleash your creative potential with Shutterstock 3D AI. Catch you in the next video! Now that we've explored the incredible capabilities of Shutterstock's 3D AI services, let's dive into some real-world applications. You might be asking, how can I use this groundbreaking technology in my projects? Let's take a look at some inspiring examples. Imagine you're an architect working on a new building design. With Shutterstock's 3D AI, you can quickly generate detailed models of your vision. Need to present different materials and textures to a client? No problem. Just describe the changes, and the AI instantly updates the model. This not only streamlines your workflow, but also enhances client collaboration, making it easier to bring your architectural dreams to life. But the possibilities don't stop there. In the world of e-commerce, product visualization is key. Brands can use Shutterstock's 3D AI to create lifelike models of their products, offering customers a 360-degree view before making a purchase. This can significantly boost online sales by providing a more immersive and interactive shopping experience. And for all you game developers out there, this technology is a goldmine. Whether you're creating intricate game environments or detailed character models, Shutterstock's 3D AI can help you build stunning visuals with unprecedented speed and precision. This means more time refining gameplay and less time worrying about asset creation. Even in the realm of education and training, the applications are endless. Teachers and trainers can use 3D models to create engaging interactive lessons that make complex concepts easier to understand. From virtual dissections in biology to historical reconstructions in history classes, the potential for enhanced learning experiences is vast. By now, it's clear that Shutterstock's 3D AI isn't just a tool. It's a catalyst for innovation across various industries. It empowers professionals to push the boundaries of what's possible, transforming abstract ideas into tangible realities with ease and efficiency. So whether you're an architect, a marketer, a game developer, or an educator, Shutterstock's 3D AI is here to elevate your projects to new heights. The future of creativity is here, and it's more accessible than ever before. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on how to leverage this amazing technology in your work. Until next time, keep pushing the limits of your creativity. As we continue to explore the transformative power of Shutterstock's 3D AI services, let's envision the future of creative collaboration. Imagine a world where geographical barriers are a thing of the past, and creative minds from different corners of the globe can seamlessly work together in real time. With Shutterstock's 3D AI, this dream is already becoming a reality. Picture a fashion designer in Paris collaborating with a digital artist in Tokyo. They can co-create stunning 3D models of new clothing lines, experimenting with fabrics, colors, and patterns, all within a shared virtual workspace. This not only accelerates the design process, but also fosters a rich exchange of ideas, blending diverse cultural influences into unique fashion statements. In the film industry, directors and visual effects artists can now work hand in hand, regardless of their physical location. A director in Los Angeles can describe their vision for a scene, and an artist in London can instantly generate and refine 3D models that bring that vision to life. This real-time collaboration ensures that creative intent is preserved, while also opening up new possibilities for innovation and experimentation. Educational institutions are also poised to benefit immensely. Imagine students from different parts of the world working together on a virtual science project, using 3D models to visualize complex concepts and conduct experiments in a shared digital space. This not only enhances learning, but also promotes global understanding and cooperation. Moreover, businesses can leverage this technology to create more dynamic and engaging marketing campaigns. Marketing teams can collaborate with 3D artists to develop interactive advertisements that captivate audiences and drive engagement. By integrating 3D models into their campaigns, brands can offer more immersive experiences that resonate with their target audiences on a deeper level. The future of creative collaboration is bright, and Shutterstock's 3D AI is at the forefront of this revolution. By breaking down barriers and enabling real-time cross-disciplinary collaboration, this technology is paving the way for a new era of creativity. It's not just about what you can create on your own, but what we can achieve together. So, as you embark on your next project, consider how Shutterstock's 3D AI can enhance your collaborative efforts. Whether you're working with colleagues across the hall or across the globe, this technology is designed to bring your collective vision to life, faster and more efficiently than ever before. Stay tuned for more exciting developments and tips on how to make the most of Shutterstock's 3D AI services. Until then, keep dreaming big and collaborating boldly. The future of creativity is in our hands, and it's more interconnected than ever. As we look back at the transformative journey powered by Shutterstock's 3D AI services, it becomes evident that we are on the brink of a creative revolution. This is not just a technological leap, it's a profound shift in the way we think, collaborate, and create. Imagine a world where your wildest ideas are no longer constrained by resources or technical know-how. With Shutterstock's 3D AI, you have a powerful ally that turns imagination into reality with unprecedented speed and precision. Whether you're an artist, a marketer, an educator, or an entrepreneur, the possibilities are endless. Let's take a moment to envision the impact on the art community. Artists can now explore new dimensions of creativity, blending traditional techniques with cutting-edge 3D technology. They can create immersive installations, interactive sculptures, and digital art that push the boundaries of what's possible. This fusion of art and technology not only enriches the artistic landscape, but also makes art more accessible to a global audience. In the realm of business, the competitive edge is sharper than ever. Companies can harness the power of 3D AI to innovate their product designs, streamline manufacturing processes, and enhance customer experiences. From virtual product demos to customized user experiences, the integration of 3D models can revolutionize how businesses engage with their customers. Education, too, stands to gain immensely. Imagine students not just learning about historical landmarks, but virtually exploring them in 3D. Picture a classroom where complex scientific concepts are brought to life through interactive 3D models, making learning more engaging and effective. This is the future of education, where knowledge is not just imparted, but experienced. As we embrace this creative revolution, it's important to remember that technology is merely a tool. The true magic lies in how we use it to tell our stories, solve problems, and connect with one another. Shutterstock's 3D AI is here to empower you, to amplify your creativity, and to help you bring your visions to life. So, as you step into this new era, let your imagination soar. Collaborate across borders, explore new mediums, and push the boundaries of what's possible. The future of creativity is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay inspired, stay curious, and keep creating. The world is waiting.